Jamaican drunk.
We're gonna have some Appleton rum. It's the Jamaica Appleton Rum Festival. It's at the Hope Gardens in Jamaica, and we're about to just go and enjoy and have some fun. So journey with us. Yeah?
Yeah.
Let me tell the people a little something real quick. 1, 2, 3. I love that woman. She cannot shallow. She independent. Mercy and Lago.
What kind of cup?
Ooh, candy. Go back.
Right foot, chin up. Back foot, 2 strokes.
Come on over and put your nose in our business.
Pardon?
Come on over and put your nose in our business.
Oh. Settle down. Cola fresh. Not like yours.
Very much deceiving.
Smells good, right?
Yeah.
You're on Instagram?
Yes, Laura Alexis channel.
I'm filming for my YouTube channel. So guys, Laura Alexis candles, they're so good and smell really nice. And there's this one called Bedroom Bully. Oh, this is it?
It's a must get.
It's a must get. It has eucalyptus and mint, right? It has eucalyptus and peppermint. It's actually really good. I especially like this one, Bad Like Yours. Citrusy. Really nice. So your Instagram is Laura Alexis?
Laura Alexis candles, all one word.
Laura Alexis Candles, so check her out. It's really good. Alright, Laura Alexis.
Ladies and gentlemen, are we ready? Mr. DJ, we're gonna need a little mixing music because we can't leave them in the silence.
Sorry, Sakina, the bartenders are there to assist as well. Alright?
Okay.
So we have our bartenders to assist. You see how nice we are to you?
Yes.
On your mark.
And we're winning prize at the end, so make it count.
Get set.
Pull your car.
Mix. Pull your what?
And your man pull your car. Drink. Pull your car.
Pork.
No.
Pork. Remember to wash your hands.
Yes.
1
You're
minute and
finished.
8
You're finished.
seconds.
Could you please? Yes, right. And I say you're gonna put me on next time. Pick up that ticket up.
You have 32 seconds.
Right here. Right. Come over. Come
Come
over.
on, darling. Come on over. You already come forth. Come over here.
Come. She put the whole of the time in the. Watch out. Stop. Mr. DJ, stop the music. Stop the music. Stop it. Stop it. Watch out now.
15.
Oh, Jesus.
It looked like a smoothie. 10.
The judges are waiting.
Shante, move on to the Shante, ignore the laughter. Ignore the laughter. They are not your friends. I am your only friends.
Stop it.
What? Hold on. What is in the drink? Now look over there. What is in it? You said papaya, right? I don't know.
And then what else?
Apple.
Little what?
Sugar.
Little sugar.
Fruit punch and egg.
And what else? What else? What else?
2 ounces of fruit.
2 ounces of
2
salt.
ounces of salt.
2 ounces of rum. That's it.
Mr. Burrell,
That's it right there.
I have to consult with the judges for a second.
Shante.
Duffy?
What?
Orange juice too.
You just add things to it, Shante.
Duffy?
Shante, you don't cook.
Where do you live?
Under the tree with a glass.
You live under the tree?
Jumping on the river when we're ready for.
That's right.
Boy can't buy me out.
You ready?
Let
me hear you say it. Where are you from? Jamaica. Oh, what a nice audience, man.
Marshall fans, them play out at tonight, let me carry them back, trap in the bands. Marshall in town, tell them beware Marshall in town, tell them prepare Marshall in town. And when the smoke clears, they will be gone, I will be there, this is the Marshall town. Watch. Is it my turn to wish you were lying here? I tend to dream you when I'm not sleeping. Whoa. You know, so me and Tommy been married 10 years this year. People know I'm good something that. We definitely know we're going better than Beanie and the Angel. Run back every situation. Can I see all of the wives in them right now? All of the real wives in them, if you even not married yet. So these are material to your wife, I want to walk up on the wire. Take a younger when they're out of town. Hey, you crazy girls are rolled down on me town. But I might not know men, none of them jump out. Hey, cause none of them, all the wives in them, we know them now. Hey, hey, I don't think I know. No, sir. What we could not go, sir. I gotta come like you're real for chewing up. And I can hear some people out there saying, if not same time Christian, when I sing about rum and all that kind of something. But you see, my God, when me worship and serve, it not go done with me forever for drink and liquor, right? No, I don't believe so. All who believe in the Most High, the power of God right now, I want to see 5 fingers in the sky right now. Who God bless? Who God bless? Say don't know, so we used to run road. You know the thing go. You see me? Say in them time when me a run road. Now go tell us something about my life. Them time there. Who they ready? Now they turn out them can easy. Cross that way. You know a rude boy thing. Bad girl telling me say no. You know a rude boy thing. She a wild while me a puff my split. You know a rude boy thing. You know you put up that thing. You know a girl that's stay. Hey girl, me a the girl come up on me. Don't see say you want me. Come on, my bench me your upper. And she walk it up like she never did no car. She tell me some me, I must eat her. Me get no girl, easy me never press her down. Rude boy, she's already. And I play with the thing, and I mess her down. Miss her girl, and they never get her down. Girl, I can't put it up, and I send her down. After the calling, and I tell them, I tell her down. Now they send her them, get girl easy. Touch that queen.